Hi everyone, I'm here with Gilbert in New West. So yeah, please describe how your experience was.
Hi guys, I got Harmon and his roofing company to do our roof. We have a flat roof, and he came and did everything in just over 2 days. My wife are really happy with the quality of work and the service that Harmon presented himself to myself and my wife. Very professional. Everything is great. We're really happy with service. If you're looking for something to do in your roof, please don't hesitate to call Harmon and get his company to come over and have a look at your work done. And I'm sure you're going to be really happy with that, as we are. Okay? Thanks, guys.
Thank you.